All right, welcome back. It has been a roller coaster ride in the financial markets. With the effects of the coronavirus has all the industries, well, going down. All but one. Joining us via Skype, Michael Wittmeyer. He is the CEO gold expert of JM Bullion. He joins us on the phone to talk about there's one industry, well, it's going up. Let's talk about gold.
Yeah, so obviously what we've seen the last few weeks with volatility in equity markets and 15 to 20% sell-off in U.S. stocks. In the meantime, gold has risen from the 1,500 level to actually breaking 1,700, which is a 7-year high for the metal. So we've seen a lot of interest from our customers, particularly new customers who are worried about what's happening in equity markets and want to be able to defend their portfolio and invest in what's investment that's typically been a safe haven.
Now, Michael, what we're seeing right now is nothing new. Of course, it happened back in like 2008, and of course a little bit after 9/11 as well. Let's kind of recap that it's always been a traditional safe place to go in economic times.
Yeah, I mean, for thousands of years, gold has been viewed as a hard currency. Coming out of 2008 is a prime example where equity markets 50–60% sell-off. Gold coming out of that was around $600–700, and over the next few years ran up to an all-time high of over $1,900. So I think a lot of our customers are thinking, is history repeating itself with what's happening in equity markets now? Are we going to see a further sell-off? And if so, where do you go for safety?
And I guess one can only speculate, and that's kind of what I'm doing here, I guess. If the coronavirus and the threat to our U.S. economy is not going away anytime soon, can one only assume that gold will keep going up? Is that premature to think that?
So obviously I don't have a crystal ball, but the conditions that have led to what we're seeing now are very similar to what kicked off the last gold run. Those being an equity market sell-off, central banks starting to step in and really inject a lot of liquidity into markets, which tends to be a driver for gold prices. So we're not here to tell you what gold is or isn't going to do, but our investors believe that this could be a situation where gold could be a smart move with the ability to protect your portfolio.
Michael Wittmeyer, we appreciate your time on the show today. We thank you so much. There's a good website for someone to go to get more information about what you guys do.
Our website is www.jmbullion.com.
There you go. We appreciate your time today.
Thank you very much.
There you have it. Of course, I mean, with all this financial turmoil there is, I would imagine if you're like me, you're checking your 401k and going, my goodness, just let it stop. All right, we got plenty more ahead on the other side of the break. Don't go anywhere. Come right back.